Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to clean the filters on the Samsung Super Speed Steam VRT Plus. And most of the washing machines, they have this issue sometimes when you have like a lot of suds building up, and sometimes the socks get stuck in the filter. The filter is right there. In this one, you just twist and take it out. But first, I would suggest to drain this hose, and you can actually take this whole panel off. Put the bucket under here. You can just need like few flat buckets and drain it. Drain it to the best, because this is dirty water. It smells actually sometimes when there's a lot of soap in there. This is all the water that's sometimes, I don't know, I'm not the mechanic for these machines, but I guess it's on the bottom, and I can smell the soap already, like old dirty water. Before you open this filter, you need a few old rags or some rag clothes. Just put them under it, because there's gonna be more water that might come out. So just keep a little bucket handy and just a few clicks, and just pull it out. Oh wow! Look at this! Look at this filter. Look at inside. Oh, I even got a. What is this? Seems like a cardamom. Wow. So this is really dirty inside. Oh, I got some other metal piece sticking in there too. So first thing you need to do is wash it. Wash the filter. Look at this filter. So I'm just gonna clean this filter. Try my best to not drain everything down the drain. Just clean up as much as possible from outside. Look at this thing that was stuck in there, and it was almost about to give me a warning or something very soon. Look at all the stuff that was in there. So we just need to clean it as much as possible.
I did.
Okay, now we just need to clean the filter. Take some old brush, like the one that you're not using. I just keep it with me in case I need to clean like this. So look at this thing. This is most likely rusted. Like rust color. It's not rusted, it's plastic, but rust color went on it because I saw paper clip in it, stuck in it. So just clean it. Really nice. These old toothbrushes come really handy. You save them, and then you can clean the grout in between the tiles, and then you can clean the filter or some other part of each areas. You don't have to buy like specialized, brushes, because I guess these are just the same purpose. That's it. Our filter is all squeaky clean. Right, just gonna clean the sink later on. I would suggest if you have a laundry tub or something like that, you can clean it there. Instead of cleaning here, it's a little bit messy. Off. Tie it off. Now make sure you double check if there's something else stuck in it. Like I see here, there's something green. I see stuck. Just 1 second. You see on the top? Oh boy. Could be. Well, that's just wiring. That's okay. So there's one more piece in there. And just clean out with anything with a rag or some tissue paper. See, another piece here. So before you put the filter in, make sure you clean the inside again with a paper towel or any piece of cloth, and then just screw it. As soon as you hear some clicks, that's it. It's screwed in. Pop this back in, and that's it. Let's close it, and we're done.